Hi everybody, hello, how's everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's been too long since I uploaded anything because CUBT was over and I was just, thinking what shall I upload because all of this while my content has surrounded and it has always been about studying and stuff, how I prepare for stuff and you know what does my day look like, and it's mostly studying. So now exams, since the entrances are now over, I wanted to share what I've been feeling and you all must be feeling or going through for the past 4 to 5 months before boards and after boards, before CUET and after CUET. All of us, we are so much tensed, we are so much confused, we all have so many questions but no answers, and it is the perfect time to set back and think about whatever that has happened and be grateful at first, because whatever life throws at you, I know it might not be good for you now, but in future I hope it works out best for you. I'm saying this to me too, because last 2 months, 2 to 3 months have not been that great to me. It of course does not show in front of the camera because I mostly vlog about studying, and you cannot guess anybody's life under 10 minutes or 12 minutes. Yeah, it's 24 hours a day, you do not see it all. But there has been a lot of things going on. Somebody were even asking me about colleges, कि आप कौन से कॉलेज जाना प्रेफर करोगे, विच आई डिस्कस नॉट नाउ, लेटर ऑन, मे बी सम टाइम इन फ्यूचर, बट आई नॉट बी गोइंग वेरी फार अवे. So that's for that now. The people around you might be scoring more, might be scoring less. अभी CUET के भी रिजल्ट्स आना बाकी है. बहुत लोगों ने प्राइवेट एंट्रेंसेस भी दिए होंगे, किसी का नहीं हुआ होगा, किसी का हुआ होगा. यस्टरडे IP MET का रिजल्ट ऑल्सो केम. आई एम इंदौर के, तो बहुत लोगों का हुआ होगा, बहुतों का नहीं हुआ होगा. दे मस्ट बी सैड. सम ऑफ देम विल बी इवन टेकिंग अ ड्रॉप एंड प्रिपेयर फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. This is all a part and process of life. Somebody, like some of them have given NEET, JEE. One of my friend cleared, like one of my classmates from my earlier school cleared, and I was so happy for her. Like JEE Advanced really requires a lot of dedication, but some didn't. So some of them will be just going college or taking a drop, but it is all just a part of life. And I think you should not compare your life to anybody. This is even to me again, because I've been thinking a lot. I've been thinking about so many things a lot for the past 2 months, because most of my friends, like the one of my closest friend to me, she'll not be here with me, she'll be studying in a different place, and we'll be in so much of distance. Like I've never been in so much distance with her. Like we have been together for more than 12 years now. We have studied in the same school, then we lived 5 minutes across to each other, and now she will be living thousands of kilometers afar from me. I just feel bad about it, but this is adulting, we cannot change this fact. Especially about CUET, I mean, इस बार का जो पेपर पैटर्न था, everything has so much of changes in them. Everybody is thinking about how will be the cutoffs. We are now getting into college. Oh my god, first of all, I can't believe that we are getting into colleges. Like I really don't want to start this part of my life. I want to go back, take me to 7th 8th grade. I'll live that moment happily again, please God. Oh my god, I can't believe we are growing up. I'm going to be 19 this year. It is so much to take. Oh my god. And taking care of yourself during this time is so much important. Like our mental health is draining. I feel my mental health has drained so much over the past 6 months. Like since December, the brain has been working and working without non-stop. My brain has not got a full stop till now. Like it has been working. I've been also doing some things now which I'll share with you all later, which you all will come to know about it बहुत बाद में, probably अगस्त में. Just wish that वो work अच्छे से हो, and promise to yourself that wherever you get to study, it is your dream place or not your dream place, where you wanted to study or you are not going there or you are going there, just promise to yourself that you will make the best of these 3 years, even if you are not getting into a good place. Like if your college does not provide you with stuff, you have plenty of things around yourself. You have your phone, you just need to find the right resources and start doing stuff, because now you will not be handed over things. You need to grab the opportunities on your own, and if you do not get into a good college, then everything is on you. You make or break yourself. So this is the time you need to think and decide what is more important to you. Going to meet very different kind of people. Some of you might like them, you might not like them. You just need to also find a good circle. Finding a good circle is also very important, I feel, because at first मुँह के सामने तो सब बहुत अच्छा बनते हैं, but after some time you get to know how they are, the real people, especially if you move out of your place, if you're going far to study, you actually do not know what the kind of people there are, because if you mostly you know the behavior of people where you live, because everywhere I think how the people are, their personality, their behavior changes according to that place, and wherever you go you need to find your kind of people, and you also need to learn how to communicate to people, because that is so very important. And I'm so grateful that if I move out or I do not move out, the past 2 years have been so good to me. I have become that I have that much of confidence in me that I can talk to anybody who comes at me, or ask me something, or even nowadays I've become so bold that I can even go and ask anybody anything. I don't fear now. I don't fear anybody. Like, I don't fear of them judging me. It was back then till my 9th and 10th grade. After lockdown, so it became so bad that I became like I was unable to speak to anybody, because this skill is very important to have in life, and especially you need to have good communication skills, be it in Hindi, be it on English. This might sound cliche, but English is very important. Not just having good, grammatical skills or vocabulary skills in paper, but also while speaking. At last but not the least, please do not get affected by the people around you. This is a message to me as well. Please do not get affected by what people are doing around you. They might be going kahan pe, not even India. They may be studying abroad, or they might be studying locally, or they might be studying in a different place, or they might be studying in your dream college, or whatever it is. Like, everybody's dream college is SRCC, okay, and not everybody gets a chance to study there. It's very limited amount of people who study there. Reminder to everybody, to us, that don't take too much stress now. Just go with the flow. जो तुम्हें करना था तुमने वो कर लिया. You cannot change the fact now. But also having a skill set is very very important. I mean, no college can provide you a skill set until and unless you have the ability to do that on your own. उसको internships भी मिलते हैं. They also see कि what is there in that particular girl or boy, कि हम उससे internship दे. Not only on the basis of their studying skills, they might also add something to their resume or CV that is different from others. So try to build that, and we all will be building that together. I also want to learn so many stuff. There's some things that I want to say. Do not give up hope. You are on your own. Do not compare yourself to anybody. You have a different journey than others. Start building up yourself. Yeah, this was it for the video. मुझे पता नहीं इसमें क्या डालूँगी, मैं क्या रखूँगी, because मैंने इतना बोला है, मुझे नहीं पता क्या रखना है क्या नहीं. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I don't know if you have enjoyed this kind of video, but I just wanted to speak my heart out, because I've been going through so many things and I wanted to share some of it, how much I can, with you all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye bye, don't stress too much, and hope you get your desired college anyway.